Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLDX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider the price was just yesterday and then you look at where the price closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in order to better illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart because really it all revolves around a single level in my opinion. And that level is right here at, let's see, 45 cents. Why is 45 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 45 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price were to separate to the downside, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That's literally putting the price right back inside of that big old range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say a relatively drastic pullback occurs. So I'm not saying this will happen, but let's say the price actually goes all the way down there, but in this situation, behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, once more, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, quote unquote, make progress as 45 cents. What about levels of resistance? In terms where the sellers are hanging out at, several times today, they try to get up there through the 51 cent mark. So 51 cents is going to be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.